Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on the RCS messaging. Okay, but first of all, I'll just explain what RCS messaging is all about. So RCS messaging, it's a rich communication service. It's a modern messaging protocol that enhances standard SMS, MMS with features like high-resolution media sharing, read receipts, typing indicators, and larger group chats, all sent over a Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Okay, so to turn it on, just follow the steps that I'm about to show. So just open up the messaging application and then select your little profile picture. And then scroll down to where it says Messages Settings. Select the option, and then up here at the top, you will see RCS Chats. Go ahead and select it, and then just turn it on from here. And just wait for it to say Connected. And that's all you have to do. So that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.